Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to memory plan the week of January 27th of 2020 to February the 2nd, 2020. And this time around we're going to use this beautiful kit from Simply Gilded. So this came in a subscription box. I do not remember when. Yeah, I have no idea when. I'm terrible with that. But you have your full boxes up top, you have some headers, you have deco, you have some flags with icons, more full boxes down here. On the other page you have more full boxes, you have your date covers, you have more headers, some rounded icons, some labels, checklists, some deco, and also she included this cute little mini sheet with juniper and jasper, and I think the sub box was called Simplicity, if I'm not mistaken, and these are some of the washi that came with it. So you have, sorry, I think these are all of the washi except the 15mm that I usually don't use much, not on this planner anyway. So you have this beautiful blue gingham, you have the nice little pastel floral, you have your metallic bows in 5 and 10mm, so the reverse foil, and you also have the script washi with lemons and strawberries and berries to complement the theme. So what I'm thinking is probably doing like this, or I don't know. I have no idea. Maybe I'll do this, or maybe I'll just do this, or like that. I'm not sure yet. I'll see when I start doing the spread. And although this has the it has gold foil, so scratch that. Oh, this is hilarious. I'm not using these, so let me rethink this and I'll get back to you shortly. Okay, so I'm back. So I decided to use these two because I think they go really well together, and to match I am using the 5mm, sorry, 7mm, 7.5mm, I can't remember, icing in pink and gold, and the perforated gold bowline from Simply Gilded as well, just to make my headers if I need it. So let's get this started. So because this didn't have a washi, the kit didn't have a washi strip or washi, bottom washi, as kits usually have, I had to choose the Simply Gilded that came with the subscription Simply Gilded washi to go along, and I was just trying out different designs or different combinations of some of the designs. So I write out all of the lines on this insert from Sammie printables, because the lines would show up because the washi is not as thick as a sticker would be. And then I just lay down the washi, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. The ruler I'm using is from Fox and Pip. I also used all of the headers from the kit and they look really nice. I should have used whiteout on the headers, but I just forgot, and then I couldn't be bothered. But I really enjoyed how the washi combine with each other, so I think it was a very good idea to use these washis. Anyway, there you can see how cute it looks, and now we go to the base of the kit, which is all of the full boxes along with the date covers and using the 5mm washi as the headers. Again, the headers are really, the kit is really simple, which for me I like, and it makes it, it allows me to have a good use of the washi that I have. And as usual, I just go Monday and so on for all of the full boxes. I had a little bit of difficulty with the Monday. I had to take it out a few times, but that's okay. And I have to say that the paper quality from Simply Gilded really got better, like really got better. It was thick, like, I don't know how to describe it. It was a really thick sticker, but her quality improved a lot. And that 5mm perforated washi is the love of my life. You cannot go wrong with it, and it's easy to tear. It's just the best invention that I released in a long time, to be honest. And it's very, it's an innovation, and I'm really happy with that. I did use, I think I was left with 2 full boxes, if I can remember correctly. 1 or 2 full boxes, and that was about it for full boxes. I didn't have a lot left on this kit, which I'm very grateful for. Less sticker wastage. And I'm sorry if on the background you hear my pets. My 2 cats are having a fight at the moment, but that's okay. We'll get over it. I haven't noticed that the paper was, the sticker was so thin, in the sense that it can be transparent or see-through. If you have something written on the background, I usually don't white out my dates, the days of the week, but on the next kits I might do that if I use a Simply Gilded kit. As usual, my weekend, I just put the full boxes in the middle, because it allows me to split my day between morning, afternoon and night, or at least morning with afternoon and night, and I prefer it that way. So after noticing that little see-through or bleed, if you want to call it, on the Monday sticker, I just white out all of the other dates or days of the week, because I just couldn't be bothered fixing Monday. And still, I did a not very good job with most of the days. I wasn't in my game when I did this, so sorry if it looks bad, but it's just, it is what it is. And it still looks pretty, or at least I think so. What do you guys think? Let me know. So here it is, guys, the base of the spread. So you have this beautiful shiny washi sidebar. I put down the date covers, the full boxes, and the 5mm perforated washi from Simply Gilded as headers. So let's get everything done. So what I do is choose which store I'm going to use throughout the kit, and this time is the Primrose Corner. I'm using her character stickers, and they are absolutely lovely and match the kit. So the first one I put down is a sleepy one. It was a holiday on that Monday last, and I slept in because I really need it. Then I put down the folding Primrose, because I wanted to fold some laundry. I also put a header of cleaning day and a sticker checklist, because I wanted to write down what I was cleaning, as well as put down a flag from the kit with the fork and spoon to mark down that I wanted to meal prep that day. Moving on to Tuesday, I put down the tired Primrose with a cup of coffee, because I was just out of a nice break, and it was definitely a coffee Tuesday that day. And then I put down the work sticker, the Primrose working with her laptop, and I do that throughout the days, which I worked at last week, which was Tuesday to Friday, sorry. And I do that for the next 2 days. I find it easier to just do one single sticker type per day anyway. I used a little flag from the kit with a money sign to mark down that I needed to pay my credit card, and also a little primrose with her hand on her face that I applied for a different job. And you can see there the little primrose, so I applied for a different job within the same organization that I work for. Then I put the Happy Mail primrose because I received Happy Mail that day. I received Fox and Cactus, and the Bin Night primrose carrying the trash bag. And as you can see, the icon is really tiny, as well as the gardening one is really tiny. I love the tiny icons, I really do. Moving on to Thursday, I put down a money circled icon that I needed to pay some bills, and a happy laughing primrose because I was offered 2 jobs on that day, which is insane. Then my water plants again with the little primrose, and a candle from the kit, which is absolutely cute. I love that candle. I put down a heart icon because I wanted to do my mani and pedi on that day, and another shopping primrose or Happy Meal primrose because I went on a shopping spree. And I finished the spread with this little Keep It Simple deco icon from the kit. Moving on to Saturday, again the sleepy primrose because I wanted to sleep in, and a checklist from the kit because I had a lot to do that day. I put down a laundry day below, and then the checklist on the top because my morning was dedicated to film a plan with me, this one that you are watching, do some content on Instagram, buy Simply Gilded washi because of course, and the Planner Friends sale that day. On Sunday I folded all of the laundry for the week. I took some Instagram pictures, and I love this primrose with the camera. I used the flag for date and lunch that I was having, a circled icon for meal prep, a tiny teeny primrose for me time, and the deco piece from the kit of that saying planning time is the script. And that's it, everyone. That's all for today. I've laid down my base, so you have a Monday, and I used all of the Primrose Girls. Monday was a public holiday here, so it was good. You have Tuesday and Wednesday, and then you have Thursday and Friday, and I love this candle and I love this deco here as well. And then you have a Saturday and Sunday. Today is Saturday, that's when I'm filming this. So that's it. Let me fill this down with my chicken scratch and I'll be right back with you. That's it, everyone. That's all for today. This spread looks really simple, and that was the whole theme of the subscription box by Simply Gilded, and I think I kept with the theme of simplicity. So you have your Monday through Wednesday and then Thursday through Sunday. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload more videos. And if you have any feedback, please leave on the comments below. All shops will be tagged. If I forgot anything, please let me know, and I will try my best to answer all of your questions.
and I hope to see you on the next one for next week. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you soon. Love you, lottles. Bye.